here. My name is Gift Nasimiyu, and this is Fashion TV, where you get the bombest tips on how to style your outfits. So guys, today's video is going to be really interesting because a lot of you have been asking me, yeah, for real, people have been asking me if I'll be featured in a men's edition, and guess what? I'm doing it today. So guys, sit back, hit the subscribe button, and enjoy this video. So my model for today, I'll let him introduce himself way later. Tell you guys if he's single. Unajua, you never know. I have a big audience and my audience is growing. I also have a percentage of people watching from India. So, you never know. Once he declares whether he's single or taken, you'll make the choice. But don't be afraid to shoot your shot. Anyway, guys, without wasting time, let's get to it.
So I'll go back. Oh, Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. The moonshine back again.
So guys, are you ready for the first outfit? Guys, if you haven't subscribed, I am bringing you hot men, hot content, So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it and let's get to it. So, guys, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Guys, this is the first outfit. Drum roll! Okay. Guys, I'm hoping that you're watching this video with your partners because there are tips here that can be easily copied. Anyway, so our model's name is Dice, and I want him to tell us where he'd rock this cool outfit. Yeah, so that we can get to learn a tip or two from him.
So guys, if you want to rock this cool outfit, it doesn't have to be in an office or someone else, but mostly weekends, or maybe you have to go to an event, you can rock this kind of outfit and it will make outstanding.
Okay, so turn around, let us see your outfit, your shoes. So yeah, guys, that is how the first look looks like. Okay, yeah, that is the first outfit, people. Yeah, that is the first outfit and the shoes. So yeah, let's move on to the next outfit. And don't forget, guys, to comment which outfit was your favorite, and if you're single, talk to me nicely. I will connect you to international people like my model over here. Anyway, let's move on to the next outfit. So guys, this is the second outfit. Outfit 2. Okay, check out the shoes and the, is it a t-shirt, like a shirt? Where? I'm telling you, men were squeezy. Okay, turn around, let's see the outfit. Okay. So, model Dice, where would you rock this outfit?
Oh, this outfit you can rock it you can rock it in your when you're heading to a what? Not a serious occasion. Let's say if you're going for to pay your dowry.
Hey!
And then you can put on a coat of your choice, so that you may not look so gangster. Yeah.
Okay, when you're going to pay the bride price, guys, this is the outfit, as you have heard from model Dice. So, without wasting time, let's go to the next outfit, which is the third outfit. So, guys, this is the fourth outfit from model Dice, all the way from Kampala, Uganda. Okay, I'm exaggerating. But this is the fourth outfit. So, yeah. So, Dice, where will you rock this amazing outfit?
So, if you happen to work in an office where you have the pressure of wearing suits from Monday to Friday, this is the type of outfit you're supposed to wear, mostly on Friday and on Saturday, so that it can release all the tension of Monday to to Thursday. So this one is a cool outfit for Fridays and Saturdays.
So guys, this is the tension releasing outfit. As you've heard from him, you can rock it on Friday or Saturday. So yeah, guys, turn around so that you can get to see the whole outfit from different angles. So guys, yeah, that is it. Copy, tell your partner to copy these tips because you won't be getting them anywhere. As I've told you, our model is from Kampala, Uganda. So guys, yes, let's move on to the next outfit. So guys, this is the 5th outfit. I don't know if you can see the detail on my model's neck, which he'll be telling us about. Yeah, so outfit 5, this is it guys, this is it. So let's take a look at the whole outfit plus the shoes, do some turns so that you can see the, so that you can see the whole outfit. So that is it guys. I like the t-shirt, the shirt. I don't know what's up with me with t-shirts. Yeah, I really love the shirts and the whole combo with the checked pants. So yeah, model guys, tell us about the detail, the accessory on your neck.
Also, about the accessory on my neck, it's just an accessory. What? It's just an accessory. What? It's just an accessory. It doesn't have like a much of a thing, but it just keeps you warm. Rather than having a jacket or a sweater or something, you just hold it over there and it keeps you warm. So
is it like a scarf that you tie at the back?
Yeah, it's like a scarf.
Oh.
It's like a scarf you tie it then you put it inside your shirt.
So my dear men out there, if you don't feel like wearing a sweater or you want to keep yourself warm, you can copy that, add a scarf as a detail and just tie it at the back. So yeah guys, this is outfit number 5. So guys, this is outfit 6 and I really love blazer outfits. And even before we continue, if you haven't checked out my last video on how to style black pants, I will link it so that you can also check out how you can style your black pants, because there's also a hack or a tip on how you can style your black pants with a blazer. Anyway, so guys, this is look number 6. Yeah, look number 6 guys, this is it. So yeah, model dice. Tan, we see the outfits. I really love the color of the blazer. It looks somehow pinkish, a shade of pink I think. Yeah, which is really hard to pull off, but our model has done it. So guys, don't be afraid to try out bolder colors. Yeah, so let us see the shoes. Okay, so guys, this is the outfit. So model dice, come and tell us where you'd rock this outfit with the color popping. Tell us.
So if I were you, I would probably rock this one mostly on a Sunday, since it's a worshiping day and it's a calm day.
Okay.
It's more advisable to wear this. Yeah.
Calm worshippers, you got an outfit. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. Turn on. No, this is supposed to turn on the notification bell. Yes. So, guys, for this and more tips, keep subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. So, dice you can turn so that you can see the outfit before we move on to the last outfit. So, this is it, guys. This is it. Okay, on to the last outfit. So, guys, this is the last outfit, which happens to be outfit number 7. Look at that checked blazer. That is the look, good people. That is the look. So yeah, model dice, what do you have to say about this outfit? Where can guys rock this?
So guys, if you happen to rock this outfit, maybe you've been invited to a friend's graduation, birthday, wedding. This is the outfit for such occasions.
You heard him, guys. For the graduations, parties, this is an outfit that you can rock. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the last outfit. So guys, that is it for today's video. I'm really hoping that you enjoyed the men's episode. Yeah, and keep it locked here for more videos like this. So men, keep subscribing because I have great content lined up for you. So before we go, model dive, what do you have to tell my
So you guys, if you have clothes, don't wait for any occasion for you to rock them out. You can die anytime without you rocking them. So anytime you feel you have a good cloth that you can rock it out, just think of something, be creative with it, then you look great.
Yeah, so guys, rock those outfits in your closet because life is really, really short. So yeah. Oh, and then tell them, are you single? Are you searching? Unajua, I've told you there is a percentage of viewers from India. You never know. We could end up for India, eh?
I'm not single.
Woo! After all the praises, the guy is taken. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the content. Guys, tell the men to subscribe to my channel.
Well, you guys, wherever you are, mostly men, subscribe to this channel. Turn the notification on so that you can get at least a varieties of how to rock your clothes.
Yes, guys, you heard him. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a single episode. Bye.